What's up mga Lods? This is Master Renz and welcome back to my channel. So sa videong ito, mag-reaction video tayo sa ilan sa mga nag-trending na nakakatakot na video sa internet. So make sure magsusubscribe kayo sa aking channel para lagi kayong update. So without further ado, let's go sa go! Call us crazy but we think there's a ghost in our basement. Pag basement talaga nakakatakot dyan. I stop because ano to? Sa hindi ko nakita yung isang nakalagay na sulat eh. I stopped, because atatoy, I got too scared. Wow. Nakakatakot to ah. Pag basement talaga nakakatakot. Always when my Elmo balloons moves, my pet start reacting. Just listen to my cat, she was upset for what? Uy, alam ko to ah. Naalala ko to, si Elmo. Oh, si Eto, naalala ko to.
I don't know.
Ang weird nung balloon. Kasi ang balloon, 'di ba, dapat pag ah pag mga ganyan nakabagsak lang. Eh dito gumagalaw mag-isa eh. Creepy nito.
Babe, come here.
Tinawag niya asawa niya oh.
It's the balloon. It just keeps going down to the basement.
Hindi kayo may nagmamanifest na dyan. May nagmamanifest na entity.
It's like it's a sort of basement or something.
So sabi dito, last night, again, our giant Elmo balloon was heading to the basement. Not the first time it's done this. So, tignan pa natin kasunod. Naku po. Hindi ko may something sa basement nila eh. Felt like something was looking at me. So far, nothing will come back tomorrow. Ano ko babal? Kung inaakit yung anak ko. Uy, yung bata oh. Wala. Parang gusto sumunod ah. Uy. Nako po.
Andrew. Andrew.
So sabi dito, this was, I wanna say, my last Saturday. Please tell me it didn't seem like this balloon was trying to lure my son into the basement. So, ito yung nakalagay din sa caption na to dito. So, meaning dito sa video to, dito sa clip na to, ito na yung, habang inaano yung anak, pang matawag term, inaakit ba talaga yung gano'n, yung, kasi mga ganyan entity, tingin ko nagmamanifest yung entity dito sa Elmo Balloon, and since bata yan, maaakit siya eh.
Oh my gosh. It's doing it again.
Creepy nito. May buhay yung balloon. Hindi dapat ganito to. Dapat yan tinatapon nyo na. Lalo pag may something.
It just stopped.
Parang gusto po, sa basement niya gusto pumunta eh. May pinapahiwatig to. Walang tali oh, kitang-kita oh. So sabi dito sa caption, as per my last video, I just realized Elmo will stay put near the basement and won't go any further. But when my son chases it, Elmo will then go. Some are saying it's an airflow problem. I made sure to seal everything in our house. My husband and I don't feel a draft. I'm not pooping poor Elmo. Hindi to ano eh, kasi kung sabihin nyo baka airflow lang o sa panghangin lang, hindi makapagalaw yan ng hangin eh. Tama ba pag airflow, di ba hangin yun eh? Hindi siya, ano kaya ang ginawa niya, di ba sinil niya, ginawa niya, sinahado niya yung bintana, baka yung aircon, pinatay nila. Talagang pinapakita dito na walang hangin talaga na makakapagpagalaw dito sa Elmo Balloon. Hindi kaya mo din pagalawin ng hangin yan.
Literally stopped at the basement door again.
Again, it doesn't matter where we place him. So, ibig sabihin, sa basement talaga gusto. It's finally started going down. My God, that was scary. I'm locking this damn balloon up in the basement. Wagi. Ito, isa pa nga pa. Tingnan natin, oh. Parang lilingon pa eh. Oh, alam ko to.
Babe.
Natingin pa, oh.
Quiet!
Aakyat na po. Aakyat nga.
Quiet!
Gagi. Kitang-kita, oh. Ulul. Ay, sorry.
Might be down.
Hindi to kaya paggalawin ng hangin o... Uy, oh, pinatay yung ilaw.
What the fuck?
Napamuha din siya, oh. Sabi dito sa caption, 9:48, ano ba, PM, Elmo is on my stairs. Walking up, my dog start barking. When Elmo started moving, never felt more inclined to pop him. He freezes upright where I stood. So, iisipin nyo, yung mga hayop din na nag-react na sila, yung mga alaga nilang hayop, mga aso pala, sorry, na may something dun sa Elmo. Kasi, kitang-kita dun, no, umaakit mag-isa. 'Di ba? Kasi yung mga ganyan nga, dapat talaga nakabagsak lang yan. Kasi may laruan din, may ganyan yung pamangking ko. May tali pa nga yun eh. Ang nangyari nun, nung nawala yung tali, bumagsak na lang siya. Yung parang lantang gulay. Eh dito may buhay eh.
Hey, Andrew. Andrew?
Kalabog, nakakatakot yan. Pag mga kalabog. So sabi dito sa caption, do you hear the noises? Heard them coming from my son's room. I thought he was playing with his toys, but it's coming from above his room. Naku, yung anak yung target nito. Ganyan talaga pag mga entity, bata ang hilig din ng ang main target nila eh. Naku po, ito na naman. Pati nyo pa kasi tapon yan. Habang yan, pinuputok nyo na eh. Oh, ano yun? Uy! Ano yun? Hala! Uy! Ano yan? Ba't may noo dyan? Gagi! Uy! Hala! 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 Ay, multong malapad ang noo. Gagi, nakatakot to. Lumayas na kayo dyan. Ako dyan, lipat bahay na pagka ganyan. Ito.
Knock.
Ito, tinitingnan ko may ano sa basement. Oh! Wala, gago, meron nga.
It's a solid knock. It's like a thick vibration. I like felt it right under me. Then do it again.
Oh, ulitin nila oh. Naku po.
Do you hear the rhythm in the knock? It's so very thick. It's like okay, try it again.
Nasa basement yung entity. Hipin ito.
Do you hear the rhythm? It's very proper. It was a very hard knock.
Sabi, ano, may namabasa sa comment, Stop knocking, it's an invitation, you are playing with the fire. I think ang pagkakaintindi ko dito, huwag yung gagawin nyo pa habang nakikipag-interact sila dito sa entity. Baka yun ang isipin din eh. Baka yun ang ibig sabihin ito nag-comment. Bali kasi nakalagay dito sa caption, we started hearing knocks under our floorboards. This might be connected.
I'm FaceTiming my son
Yeah,
Andrew's
because somebody
iPad.
under
I set it
there
up in the
knocking.
basement where the knocking should be.
Oh, ito. May camera doon. Pinakita yung proof na wala ibang tao doon. Akala siguro nila nagloloko itong yung mag-asawa eh.
Did you hear that?
Damn.
Bali doon pinakita yung, kasi akala baka peke lang yung kanina, yung first clip kanina yung unang katok nila. Akala nila pinepeke lang, no? Pinakita yung proof. May camera doon sa basement. So walang ibang tao, sila lang talaga. Going back down, had my husband check it first before me. It was abnormally cold. Our basement never gets cold. So, bali dito sa caption naman sabi, went back down, went back down, it was so cold. You can hear me quiver and shake. So, nanginginig daw siya. Hindi yan sa lamig, sa takot yan. Never do 3 knocks,
You can
always
hear me.
more or just 2, never
Not
3.
2 times.
Oh, naku po. It was still recording but the screen was all black. Takot yun ha. Brought back Elmo and my cat won't stop meowing. Sabi 8:23 a.m. we bring back Elmo from the garage and my cat starts meowing excessively. I can tell she's upset. The dogs are outside but 2 of the 3 we own we were scared to come into the house. So pag mga ganyang hayop, ibig sabihin talagang alam nila may something dito sa Elmo talaga. May nagmamanifest na entity.
What the
Oh,
fuck
it's happening
is
again.
underneath the floorboard? Okay. What the
Sabi dito sa caption naman niya dito, 9:27 p.m. we checked downstairs because we heard knocking. It was coming from the same spot as last time, right before below the basement.
An update. We got rid of
Ito
that
nata yung last
balloon.
Ito na yung last.
We haven't really experienced anything since.
So sabi, Elmo balloon is now gone. It's been gone for a while, so just giving an update. So dito wala na yung Elmo. Tingin ko mukhang okay na at May sinabing
update.
babae.
We got rid of that balloon. We haven't
Tinapon na din yung balloon.
experienced anything since.
Di ba namatay yung ilaw mag-isa?
We got rid of that balloon. We haven't really experienced anything since.
Oh! Hulo! Namatay yung ilaw. Eh baka sigaw may switch lang dyan. Tinakot ko pa yung sarili ko. So yun, natapos tayo dito. Ito yung galing sa account ni Happy Reynes. Yan, i-follow nyo siya dito sa TikTok. Ito yung kabuuan ng kwento. Kung natatandaan niyo yung kwento nung sa Elmo. Yung na-featured kay Nooks, kay Bizarre Bob. Ito yun, ito yung kabuuan ng kwento. Kung, kasi doon pinakita lang yung pag-akyat, yung about sa Elmo. Pero dito pinakita talagang ang dito, yung entity nasa basement. Kaya ang nakakatakot talaga pag mga basement. So yun, thank you so much. Kung aning part ng clip or ng video ang nagustuhan nyo, i-comment nyo na lang dyan. Kung saan kayo, tingin nyo kung may mga real or fake ba doon sa mga insidente, i-comment nyo din po. So yun, thank you so much. See you in my next video and mag-iingat po kayo palagi.